Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to unravel the complex world of application programming interfaces, or APIs, for computerized maintenance management systems, in short, CMMS. We'll delve into when and why you should consider integrating your CMMS with an API. We'll also highlight the advantages and costs associated with this approach. Let's get started. Are you looking to satisfy highly complex reporting needs from multiple software systems? Then integrating your CMMS through an API might just be the solution for you. This approach gives you a lot of freedom with the data your maintenance management software gathers, but it's important to note that it does come with its associated costs too. Now, you might be wondering, when should you consider this? Well, if the out-of-the-box solution isn't quite cutting it for your facility's needs, then integrating your CMMS into your other systems could be the way to go. Here are a few reasons why you might want to consider this. Firstly, you can achieve advanced reporting, combining multiple lines of data into sophisticated metrics. Secondly, this approach can significantly improve your data visualization. Thirdly, it allows for centralized data management, which can help cut down on business intelligence costs. Fourthly, it can improve decision-making as data is pulled together from all departments. Lastly, it can lead to better collaboration and higher agility within your team. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose you're trying to measure your maintenance, repair, and operations, or MRO storeroom's efficiency. Some of the data you'd need, such as inventory value, turnover, and spend per asset, would be readily available through your CMMS. However, other data, like stockouts and cycle count adjustments, might be harder to track with a standard solution. This is where an API comes in. By tying your data together through an API integration, you can easily access very precise, easily aggregated data across your organization, thereby empowering your decision-making processes. Now, it's important to note that there are some costs associated with implementing APIs, both upfront and long-term. Designing and implementing your own custom integration takes time and human power. But don't worry, there are options to save you the struggle of building your own API from scratch. Tools such as Zapier or Sisense can be quite useful. But remember, choosing one and then implementing it is still a task that needs to be done. Once you've implemented your API integration, it's still going to require some overhead. Software evolves, and you'll need to make sure your API keeps up with developments in your CMMS, as well as all other integrated software. This doesn't mean you shouldn't implement an API, but it does mean you should make sure the costs are justified by the increased efficiency you'd gain by using one. So weigh your options carefully and choose the best path for your team. And that brings us to the end of our video. We've explored the world of APIs for CMMS, the benefits they can bring to your maintenance management, and the costs to consider. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you further optimize your maintenance management strategies.